Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic that can have a significant impact on your engine's performance: wrong valve clearance. Proper valve clearance is essential for the smooth and efficient operation of your internal combustion engine. When the clearance is not set within the manufacturer's recommended specifications, it can lead to a host of problems that can affect your engine's reliability and longevity. From engine misfires and noisy operation to decreased power output and fuel efficiency, incorrect valve clearance can wreak havoc on your engine's performance. In the worst-case scenario, it can even cause catastrophic damage, such as valve-to-piston interference, leading to costly repairs. In this video, we'll explore the common symptoms of wrong valve clearance, the importance of regular inspection and adjustment, and the steps you can take to ensure your engine is running at its best. Stay tuned to learn how you can keep your engine in top shape and avoid the pitfalls of improper valve clearance. Wrong valve clearance can lead to various symptoms and issues in an engine. Here are some key indicators of incorrect valve clearance. Engine misfire. Incorrect valve clearance can cause the valve not to close properly, leading to engine misfire, resulting in rough idle, hesitation, or loss of power. Noisy engine. When the valve clearance is off, it can cause a tapping or clicking noise from the engine, especially noticeable at high RPM or under load. Poor fuel efficiency. Incorrect valve clearance can affect the engine's combustion process, leading to inefficient fuel burn and decreased fuel efficiency. Loss of power. Valve clearance that is too tight or too loose can cause a loss of power, particularly noticeable during acceleration or climbing. Engine overheating. Improper valve clearance can cause the engine to overheat due to inadequate cooling, potentially leading to engine damage if not addressed promptly. Check engine light. Valve clearance issues can trigger the check engine light to illuminate on the dashboard, often accompanied by diagnostic trouble codes related to valves and engine performance. Rough idle. Incorrect valve clearance can result in a rough or uneven idle, felt as vibrations or shaking when the vehicle is at a standstill. Excessive exhaust smoke. If the valve clearance is too tight, it can cause oil leakage into the combustion chamber, leading to excessive exhaust smoke, especially during startup and acceleration. Difficulty starting. Incorrect valve clearance can make it hard for the engine to start, particularly when cold, due to inadequate sealing of the valves and reduced compression. Valve train noise. Improperly adjusted valve clearance can cause increased noise from valve train components, heard as a ticking or clattering sound. Decreased engine performance. Valve clearance issues can result in decreased engine performance, including reduced acceleration and slower throttle response. It is crucial to address valve clearance problems promptly to prevent further engine damage and costly repairs. Regular inspection and adjustment of valve clearance, following the manufacturer's recommendations, are essential for optimal engine performance and longevity. Based on the provided sources, here are some key points regarding incorrect valve clearance and its effects on engine performance. Symptoms of incorrect valve clearance. Engine misfire, noisy engine, poor fuel efficiency, loss of power, engine overheating, check engine light, rough idle, reduced compression, excessive exhaust smoke, difficulty starting, and valve train noise are common symptoms of incorrect valve clearance. Effects of incorrect valve clearance. Incorrect valve clearance can lead to issues such as loss of compression, reduced power output, poor fuel efficiency, increased wear and damage to engine components, reduced valve lift affecting throttle response and power output, and interference between valves and pistons, potentially causing catastrophic engine failure. Importance of correct valve clearance. Proper valve clearance adjustment is crucial for maintaining engine performance, fuel efficiency, reliability, and longevity. It ensures that the valves open and close at the correct time and with the proper amount of clearance, promoting optimal engine operation and minimizing the risk of valve failure. Signs of valve clearance issues. Signs that indicate a problem with valve clearance include difficulty starting, inconsistent idle, noisy operation, reduced power, and engine overheating. Regular inspection and adjustment of valve clearance are essential to prevent serious engine damage and ensure smooth engine operation. In summary, incorrect valve clearance can have significant implications on engine performance and reliability, making it essential to monitor and adjust valve clearance within specified tolerances to maintain optimal engine function and prevent potential issues. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video.